Hey guys, Harsh here and Anshu here. Of course, you know him from I don't know what video because he doesn't show his face a lot. So today we're going to make a
They
hologram.
know me as a calculator guy. I made the calculator video. You can watch that. Also, I am in the CNC. Also, I am in the plane video. And there's a lot of people who know me as a tech guy.
We're going to experiment on a 3D hologram video that we saw earlier on a YouTube video. So today we're going to make a very big version of it because a lot of YouTubers are making a small version for a smartphone, but we made a for TV. So let's get started.
Alright, so you have watched many of the YouTubers making a small version of the hologram pyramid, but in this video we are always do some large, and in this one we are going to use a glass and making it to the size of a TV. So we are going to use a glass, and for while handling glass we need some safety gloves. So Harsh, can you pass this? Okay, so make sure that you have more safety gloves so that you handle the glass very carefully. So I am doing it right now. Okay, so I have bought the gloves, and now we will get our glass on the table, and here it is. And right now we don't have the right tools to cut this glass, but what we are going to do now is simply measure the length of the pyramid on the glass, and we will take this to the workshop. And before going to the workshop, let's mark the size of the pyramid that we are going to make it. So let's mark it.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, so first of all what we're going to do is measure a diagonal of 36 centimeter, and unfortunately I don't have a long scale, so I'm going to use just 30 centimeter scale to measure it. So let's do it right now. Okay, so if you can see that this is the line that you have drawn. Now we are going to mark the middle, which is going to be 18 centimeters. Then from here we are going to draw a line of 21 centimeters perpendicularly to this line. So perpendicular means at 90 degree. If you don't study maths that much, so it will go just like this. So let's mark it. We got 3 points, one here, one here, and one here. So now what we need to do is mark a 6 centimeter line here. Now we can join all the points to make a paralleloid. So let's join these points. Shape is now completed. Now we can go ahead and go to the workshop and cut in size. So that was pretty satisfying to watch. The glass panel is now cut it. So we cut it four sizes of this exact same shape.
Wait a minute!
We are going to use a glass, and for while handling glass we need some safety gloves.
Voy a la playa, había subido la marea.
Four sizes of this exact same shape. Now we can use the tape that I just threw away. We use this very thick boy tape, and we are going to paste it on these diagonal sides and paste all the 4 corners to make a pyramid. So let's start. So first what we're going to do is place all the panels just like so, and if you're making a small version then you don't need to worry about that. So first of all I'm going to place the tape on this edge and paste it with this edge, and we are going to continue it for all the 4 edges. So now the structure is complete and it is very delicate. I mean, we have a lot of hard time just to flip it over because we built it upside down. So now what I'm going to do is just add some extra tape to the sides to provide some extra strength, and think of something else to remove the tape because it is interfering with the viewing display over here. So we are going to just remove the tape or just use some epoxy glue to just paste it just on the ceilings over here. So let's do that right now. Okay, so now we have added some extra tape on the edges along the inside line. So as you can see that now I can lift it very easily and place it on my TV screen. So let's put it on TV screen and play some epic videos, hologram. So now I set up my laptop with my TV over here. So as you can see, I have flat the TV on the bed over here and the glass is placed on top. So let's open up the video and see how it performs.
Alright, so this was a lot of amazing and fun for creating this project. Hope you like it, and if you have made this, please let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button
And please share this video.